Auntie Ona.
For more Auntie Ona videos, please subscribe. Hello and welcome to Fine Motor with Auntie Ona. Have you got your Play-Doh ready? Let's make a dinosaur. We'll start by making the head. Break off a small piece of the green Play-Doh or any colour you like and roll it around your hands into a ball. Keep rolling, friends. Great job. Then we're going to roll another slightly bigger ball to make the body. Are you rolling? Good job, guys. Now we have a head and a body. Let's push them together. Next we have the feet. I've decided to use the blue Play-Doh. Do you know how many pieces of Play-Doh we'll need for the feet? That's right, 4. 4 feet for our dinosaur. Pull off the different pieces of Play-Doh and squash them. Use your fingers to squash them into shape. Squish, squash. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can attach them to the body. Push them into place. Great job, friends. Careful, sometimes they fall off. Just push them back on. Now we have the spikes. For the spikes, I've decided to use the yellow Play-Doh. Do you know what shape spikes are? Triangles! Well done, friends. Pinch the Play-Doh to make the spikes and then attach them to the body. We have 1 spike. 2 spikes. 'Pinch, pinch. 3 spikes. Now we have the tail. We need to roll the Play-Doh into a long snake. And for the tail, I've decided to use the pink Play-Doh. Oh, that's a bit too long. Let me make it shorter. Pinch, pinch the end. and let me attach it. Oh, the spikes come off. Pop them back on if they come off. Let me attach it to the end of the dinosaur. Oh, that's still looking a little bit long. I'm going to take half of the tail off. Oh, that's much better. And attach it to the body. Make sure the spikes are on there. Then the last thing we need to do is make the eyes. If you have sticky eyes, you could use those. Otherwise, I just use my finger to make little eyes. And there you go, all finished. Well done, friends. You made a dinosaur. See you next time from Auntie Ona. And don't forget to subscribe.